We're getting things started. Actually, we already did on Fischer Homes website, which is unbelievable, by the way.
And just scrolling through the website made us super excited to get started looking at models. I want the open concept kitchen.
Man cave.
Naturally. All right, let's get started. Ooh, and it's open concept.
Oh yeah.
All the lights. Love that.
That's the only way we're gonna buy, isn't it?
It just makes it seem so spacious.
Yeah. This is...
And you can watch football while I'm cooking. Look at the window wall. It's so open, and you can put like a fireplace there.
I know, I like the lighting that you're gonna get with that.
All the natural light.
Something very
So I can do my makeup on the couch. Love the open concept.
How about the man cave?
We're getting to that. Look at this little like additional room that they have too. So we can make that maybe a playroom eventually. Of course. Look at the ceilings. It's so cool.
Nice.
So spacious. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. Super nice. And a nice big window. Testing out the bed. Oh, nice shower.
Oh.
Some size.
Oh. This is a good one right here.
Look at the size of this closet. Hey, look, Jon. It's your section.
Just the one.
Just the top one.
The one.
And a little baby room. So cute. And a little baby closet. Where'd you go? Ooh, upstairs laundry. I love that.
So we loved house 1, but I'm still looking for my man cave. On to house 2.
I love this open concept. And this island, the way it faces this way, so you can see everyone if you're the entertainer.
I know the kitchen's supposed to be your thing, but it's now I'm like getting excited here.
Look, for all your food.
Just for my food.
And this nice big deep sink.
Yeah.
Oh. And then it comes right into this big, these vaulted ceilings.
Yeah, the recessed lighting up there.
Yeah. And then the window wall again, it's bringing in all that natural light, so it just makes it so big. This is so big. So big. So nice. And I like how it has the stairs up into the bathroom.
Yeah, look at this tray ceiling.
I know, that looks
I need
awesome. Oh, and there's 2 closets. There's one out there.
Oh, there's yours.
And there's an even bigger one for the missus. I love that.
Oh.
So nice.
How big is this?
Bigger than yours. That's all that matters. Oh my gosh, I just need a good book or a Netflix show and I'm set. Oh, look at this. 3 rooms for each child I intend to have.
On your own? Yeah, you're right. Here it is. This is all I wanted.
So cool.
This is my man cave.
I was just gonna say, it's a man cave that's just like here.
This is it.
This is really nice. And this is really cool too because it has an unfinished basement plus this room, so we could use this for Christmas tree storage.
Fischer made 2 fantastic homes. Both had beautiful open floor plans and kitchens, so Toria was happy. But only one had my man cave.
Show me the paperwork. This is it.
We love it.
Yeah, the rec room here that has, it's my man cave already built in.
And plus we get the unfinished basement with additional storage still. It's awesome.
Yeah, so next step, design center.